This cereal is nature's Viagra, while the name of this trash is Dead D Flakes. Time to activate that morning wood with this erection powerhouse. Walnuts for healthy sperm and testosterone. Pumpkin seeds for zinc. Pine nuts for ancient vitality. And bananas for that boost of dopamine and potassium that boosts testosterone. Blueberries for blood flow. Unsweetened coconut flakes for flavor. Then my testosterone boosting herbal blend that contains black maca, lion's mane, cordyceps, and more to boost your blood flow and testosterone even higher in the morning for extreme